I think there was one in my mouth.
Yeah, probably.
So Dave, the Perma Boot, right?
Yeah.
Talk to me about it.
Yeah, so the industry standard is this guy here. This is what almost every other contractor uses. They literally cost like $5. And there's a reason. The rubber is totally exposed to the elements and it dry rots, and eventually it's not gonna last forever. It also is ugly on a roof like this. Shingle, then the shiny metal, then the ugly black rubber, then the white pipe sticking out, and it just doesn't look good, aesthetically good, but more importantly, functionally good. Instead, we use this guy here. And this is heavy duty PVC. It's UV protected so it doesn't fade, and you can tell it looks way better. But more importantly, it lasts way longer. The rubber is totally isolated and protected by the boot itself. The water cannot possibly penetrate. There's no way it could get, the water could get in there. And of course, it does look way, way better.